So I come up again with another question of exercise 1.3, which is question 9. We are discussing NCERT Exemplar questions, very first chapter of class 10, which is real numbers. So here is question 9 for exercise 1.3. Now the question says that using Euclid's division algorithm, we need to find the largest number that divides 1251, 9377 and 15628, leaving remainders 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Before starting up the solution, please share, like and subscribe our videos if you like this video. Now, let's start the solution of this question. It says that using Euclid's division algorithm, we need to find the largest number that divides these three numbers, but they said that they have remainders, that remainders are there as 1, 2 and 3 respectively. That means if it's 1251, remainder 1 is there. If it's 9377, 2 is the remainder in this case. For the third one, 15,628, we have a remainder 3 over here. Now we need to find the largest number. But if we are talking about largest number, that means we are talking about HCF, that is highest common factor. So in this case, how do we go about it? Now as 1, 2, 3 are the numbers, are the remainders which are there when required largest number, which is HCF, when required largest number, which is HCF, which are the numbers that divides these three numbers. That means 1251, 9377 and 15628. It means we need to find the HCF of the numbers. So we need to find the HCF of which all numbers? We will be subtracting 1 from 1251 because we are left with the remainder, which is 1 in this case. The second one is we will be subtracting 2 from this number and we will be subtracting 3 from 15628 because they asked that we need to use Euclid's division algorithm to find the largest number HCF which divides these three numbers, but they said that they are leaving remainders 1, 2 and 3 respectively. So we need to take care of that remainder. We are subtracting it from the numbers, then we will be finding out the HCF, because after that there will be a common or HCF, highest common factor over here. So to find this, that means the numbers are 1250, 9376 and 15625. Okay, sorry, that will be 9375 as we need to subtract 2 from it. Now we have these three numbers and we need to find HCF. So by Euclid's division algorithm, we have A, let's say A as 15625 and B as 9375, and we'll be getting A equals BQ plus R, which means A will be 15625, over here there will be 9375. So by using Euclid's division algorithm, we need to find the HCF of these two numbers. After that, whatever the HCF which we'll be getting, we'll take it with another number which we are left with, that is 1250, and we'll get the final answer. That means highest common factor or HCF of these three numbers. Now let's try it out. What do we do? Multiply something plus something, will be getting 15625. We do that ways only. So 9375 times 1 plus, we are left with, let's write it down over here, 15625 subtracting 9375. So 0, there will be That will be 12. So 12 take away 7 is 5. That will be 5. 5 take away 3 is 2. That will be 15. 15 take away 9 will be 6. So we'll be getting, okay, so over here we have 6250. So that means we'll be getting the remainder as 6250. 6250. Now what will be the next step? We'll shift it here and we'll shift it here. That means now we'll be doing it as 9375 equals to 6250 times, what do we need to do? We need to times it by 1 plus what will be the number which will be there. So what do we do? 9375 subtracting 6250. So you're left with 5, 2, 1 and 3. So we'll be getting 3, 1, 2, 5. Now over here, let me change the color. Over here, this we'll be doing the same thing. We'll be shifting it here, 6250, and over here that will be 3, 1, 2, 5. Now, if we'll be multiplying it by 2, we'll be getting the remainder as 0 because 3125 times 2 will be 6250. So when we got the remainder 0, we'll stop our further processes. That means HCF of 15625 and 9375 is 3125, which will be this number. So 3125 is the LCM of, sorry, it's the HCF of 15625 and 9375. Now let's find it out for the second one. Now we'll take C as we have 1250 and 3125. So C as 3125 and D as 1250. That is this number which we left. Now by using division algorithm, by using Euclid's division algorithm, we'll be getting C equals to DQ plus R. So we'll be starting off with 3125 equals to 1250. Now we'll see we need to times it by which number and we need to add what. So let's try it out over here. So 1250 times 2 will be 2500. So we'll be doing that. So let's subtract 3125 and 2500. What do we get? 5, 2, that will be 11, 6. So we are left with 625 because this will become 2. So we'll be left with 625 over here. So what do we do next? We'll shift this way. So 1250 equals 625. Now once we multiply 625 by 2, we'll be getting 1250 only. That means we are left with the remainder 0, which means that HCF of 3125 and 1250 is 625. So that means that 625 is the HCF or the largest number that divides these three numbers and also leaving remainders 1, 2 and 3 respectively. So what do? We'll subtract the remainders from the numbers which we have respectively, and then we'll take the LCM of, we take the HCF of 3 numbers. First we take HCF of 2 numbers. We'll find out the HCF of that 2 numbers. We'll be finding out the answer by finding the HCF of the answer which we get from 2 numbers and the third number which we need to start with. So by finding the HCF of these 2 numbers, we'll be getting with the final HCF or the largest number which they are asking, which divides these 3 numbers and they have the remainder 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Thank you so much. Please share, like and subscribe if you like this video. We'll be coming back soon. Take care.